Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
In a fucking like prison. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus! Oh my God! Oh.
That's what you get. That's what you get.
Oh my God!
I got that on dash cam.
Oh my God!
Wow.
Bro, what I was trying to rent it, dude.
Oh, you take her on a cruise?
Yeah. Yeah. Adults only too. I kind of like that.
Jesus!
What happened?
Jesus, kidding me, dude.
I heard
for that. If you can't get all the way
lock
across,
doctor?
don't go.
No. Maryland.
Yeah.
As opposed to actually berries.
Yeah.
But yeah. Ooh. Nice avoidance. What the hell was that?
I don't know. It looked metal.
It looked metal to me.
And I wasn't about to hit it on that side of the car.
Was that the one?
Holy shit.
Oh my God. Okay, is the next exit?
I want to say it is. Yeah, Cumberland Farms.
And after seeing that, I kind of don't want to be anywhere near that.
Holy f***. That was
Oh my God! Why bother?
hell?
Holy. Okay, dude, something is wrong. The Google thingy, and we might have been too close to that if we had not stopped at the rest areas. Ah!
Oh!
Keep going. I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was. Something hit the side of the car. Oh my God! I hope they weren't in it. Oh my God! I can feel the heat. Oh my God!
ever again.
It speaks to our growing fascination and anxiety over artificial intelligence. In recent months, AI chatbots and image generators have captured everyone's attention. For our
And that's it. They come out of there millionaires with all these connections. Oh yeah, Senator, hey man, come here, hey. Yeah, we want you to lobby for this, we want you to lobby for that. Here, a little something back here. Something.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.